Hello, welcome to LDR Funding. We are a direct lender offering financing for real estate investors. I'm going to share some slides with you in this presentation that will help you to understand what we offer you as an investor. There are several products that we have that we make available to you. We can help you fund your projects from start to finish. LDR LLC Real Estate Investors Lending. We are a direct lender. We offer fix and flip funding for residential. We have basically two packages, a bridge loan and term loans. We have fix and flip, ground up, multifamily bridge loans. And we also have term loans for single property rentals, rental portfolios, and multifamily. The bridge loan is a fix and flip loan for residential 1 to 4 units. The loan amount is $50,000 to $25 million. Maximum loan to cost is 90% of purchase and 100% of rehab costs. This is what makes us unique. We are not a hard money lender, nor are we a bank. We are a direct lender. So we have a lot of flexibility on making decisions on working with our clients. Maximum loan to ARV is 75%. Term length is up to 18 months. Bridge loan, just what it sounds like, basically helping you to get from one side to the other. Ground up construction is a very attractive product that many investors could really maximize during the time of just locating land in different parts of the country where you can buy the land. We'll help you do a ground up construction loan, and it's very lucrative, very helpful, and we'd love to earn your business. Property type is residential 1 to 4 units. Again, 50,000 to 2 million. Maximum loan to cost 50 to 65% of purchase. We will help you buy the land 50 to 65%. So we want you to have some skin in the game. And then 100% of the rehab costs, or in fact, the vertical costs, meaning getting the project up and running, we will fund 100% of that. Maximum loan to cost total is 85%. Again, we want you to have skin in the game. Maximum loan to ARV is 75%. So if you get in the project, you get it done right, we will help you roll that property out at 75%. Term length is up to 18 months. This is another beautiful package for small balance multifamily. Residential units, 5+ units, 500,000 is loan amount. That's the minimum plus. And then loan types, interest only. We also have fixed and adjustable rate mortgage options. Maximum loan to cost, purchase loan 80%. The bridge loans, small balance multifamily, residential units, 5+ units, loan amount $500K. Loan type, interest only, fixed and adjustable rate mortgage options. And the maximum loan to cost is purchase loan of 80% of purchase as is value plus 100% of rehab costs. Refinance loans at 75% as before, and as is value plus 100% of rehab costs. 100% of rehab costs is what makes us unique, and we will help you develop your portfolio. So maximum loan to stabilize the value of the property would be 75. On our terms on these loans is up to 24 months. We will allow 2 6-month extensions on these. Loan amounts less than 2 million for recourse, loan amounts greater than 2 million for recourse, or limited recourse with bad boy carve-outs in the event, hopefully unlikely event, that there will be some reason for us to exercise a full recourse on the loans, we will certainly do that, and it will be all spelled out in closing documents. Completion guarantee, reserves replenish and guarantee with application. Now here's the question, $64 million question a lot of people ask me right away is mid credit score, 680. Can work with 640 or below, but I look at each one of the situations one at a time. Tell me what you got going on, who you are. We'll look at you and give you a fair look to see if we have the right product and the right match for you becoming a client. Single property rentals. If you're needing funding for your single property rentals that you want to get into the game, we can fund single property rentals as well. And these are our term loans. Single property rentals, single family units, 2 to 4 units, townhomes, planned unit developments, and warrantable condos. Loan amount $75,000 to $2 million. 30-year fixed rate mortgage, fully amortized. We have 5, 6, and 7/6 and 10/6 hybrid ARMs, adjustable rate mortgage, partial interest only as well, and or fully amortized. Maximum loan costs, if owned less than 3 months, 80%, and if owned between 3 to 6 months, additional 5% haircut on the maximum eligible LTV. Maximum loan as is value, purchase and rate, term finance 80%. Cash out refinance, again, 75%. And we want to make certain that you're in a win-win situation. So our DSCR ratios would be 1.20. And we like to have it greater if so, but nothing less than 1.10. And we'll talk about that later. Term length, 30 years, and recourse, full recourse only, mid-score 680. And again, we'll look at your credit score based upon what you have, your experience, and we can talk about all that. This is rental portfolios, single family, 2 to 4 units, townhomes, PUDs, as well as warrantable condos. 5 to 20 units, multiple families, and eligible mixed-use properties are allowed. Up to 15% of loan amount. Loan amount, $150,000 to $50 million. Loan types, 30-year fixed mortgage, fully amortized, and we also have the ARM products that we spoke about before, pretty much standard of what we had spoken before regarding maximum loan cost, maximum loan as is to value, subject to a minimum FICO score of 680. And cash out refinance is at 75%. But the mid score that we like to have is a 680. On your multifamily terms, lease requirements is minimum occupancy rate of 90% by unit count. Lease units lower of the in-place rent or market rent. And unleased units 90% of market rent. Purchase loans only. Just to go over what we just talked about, looking forward to earning your business, some of the unique things that we offer, foreign national eligible. So we will do business with individuals that have visas, green cards, or work permits for sure. Loan amount $50,000 to $3 million. Extensive rehab allowed, 12 months terms, up to 18 months. At lender's discretion, background and credit required, 50 or up to 65% DSCR, and fix and flip ground up, subject to experience. Let me share some things with you regarding experience. Let me go over these investor tiers. And if you are an investor who has 0 experience, you are considered a level 1 investor. We want you to have at least 20% into the game. We'll do 100% of the rehab and a credit score of at least 740 or greater. 90% of purchase, if you have 740 credit score, we will go as high as 90% of the purchase. On the rehab, we still do 100% of your rehab, and we do this on a case by case. If you have no experience of fixing or flipping property, These are the standards, and we consider you to be a level 1 borrower. Level 2 is someone who's had at least 1 to 2 properties in the last 5 years, 740 or greater credit score. We will lend up to 85% and also 100% of the rehab. Level 3 would be 3 to 4 properties and 90% of the purchase, and 100% of the rehab is still the same. And if you've had 5 to 6 properties that you've fixed or flipped, we will lend you 90% of the purchase and 100% of the rehab. And level 5 would be someone who has at least 7 or more properties in the last 5 years, and we will consider you to be a level 5 borrower, and we look forward to working with you. Okay, so let me share another thing here. Real estate investors loan products. So we have the bridge loans, we have DSCR loans. The states where we do not lend in, it would be Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, Oregon, Utah, and Vermont. These are places where we do not lend at. We are a direct lender, but we do not lend in these states. So if this resonates with you, look like it might be a good fit for you, love an opportunity to earn your business. We look forward to working with all real estate investors. We are a direct lender. We are not considered a hard money lender, but we are a direct lender. When the banks say no, give us a call at LDR LLC Consulting. All right, take care. Shalom.